Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back. Oh, I messed up already. Anyway, hey guys, welcome to my channel. Sorry, it's so dark, but it's because I'm in my room. If I didn't have my torch with me, you would have to be seeing me dark. So I got my torch, my tiny weeny torch. I'm using this as a big goodbye. So, I don't know, I made a video about a fidget spinner, a green fidget spinner. If you guys saw it, I don't know if it has uploaded or if it failed to upload. I hope it didn't fail to upload because I really wanted you guys to see my first fidget spinner. But it was gone 3 times and it broke. I was really sad about it. Really, I was crying. Don't mind me touch my eye. So yeah. So because that one broke, my mom was a very nice person. Instead of because that one was $10. Can you guys hear one? Guys can hear one. There's another one. There's another one in the room. So I think it's pure gold. I don't know if it's gold or anything. Comment down below what you guys think it is. So yeah, ready? Drum roll, please. Here it is. Can you see it? Look at that, guys. Look at that. Oh my god, does that look? This is insane. Look at it. Oh god. Look at it. Look at that. Okay, so I'm gonna be trying to hit it against my. That looks better. So I don't think I need that. Just use my camera. Are you kidding me? My iPad almost turned off. I use my iPad to record. Or maybe I might need my torch. And just don't look at my bed. Don't look at my bed. So I'm gonna be putting it right here. That's good. So here it is. Look at that. I'm smashing it. Look at that, guys. So I timed it and it lasts for 2 minutes. If I put it on the ground, and I just hold the top and I spin it around it for 2 minutes. But when I hold it in my hand and I spin it, it's 2 minutes as well. So I thought it would be I thought it was gonna be 2 minutes, something like that. But I was thinking it would be something close to 4 minutes. Look at that spinning. Just look at this. I'm gonna go for a long time. So I think this might be the end of this episode if my iPad stops. Well, see you guys. I'm sorry my iPad sometimes stops the video for some reason. But I hope this video, it doesn't stop it here. If I can't, I don't know. If my iPad just instantly stops the video, I'm sorry guys. I'm going to make a part 2 of it soon. So, continue watching the video to the end. I hope it's not short. I hope it can last till 8 minutes, I hope. That's good. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to first hit it to my forehead. I'm going to spin it. Ow! This is metal, guys. This is so hard. Can you hear that? This is my door's wood, so I'm just gonna. I'm tapping it now. This makes so much noise. Right? Can you see this is one of my like? I don't know. Cupboard. Like I'm smacking it. Look how much noise that makes. It's insane. So let's just do my forehead again. Show you guys. So I'm gonna do it as fast as I can. Boom. Okay, so that's good. So let's. Ow. Okay, so let's do it to my nose like this. That tickles kind of, and it hurts a little. It seems like someone's lipping it, and if you do it to your teeth, it actually like I'm just gonna spin it lightly. Did you hear that? So what should I do next? My ear. Take this to school, like everyone's gonna follow me like, oh my god! My best blowers, look at this! He has the best fidget spinner in the whole school! Yeah, people's gonna be like that. People are gonna be like that. If you guys are noticing, my best friend accidentally kicked me in the eye at school. Yeah, he kicked me in the eye. So next, where should I put it? My mouth. My cheek. What about one of my fingers? My finger. Tapping. Oh, can you like see my finger? I'm moving like that. Just look. Just concentrate on my finger. Can you see me moving like that? Oh, can you see that coming down and up? That's epic. What should I do next? Let's do my elbow. That actually hurts because the bone's right there, so it's hitting the bone. Ow. That hurts. Like. I'm sorry if I'm not making videos that often. I get my iPad on the weekends. You guys understand, like, and on like school holidays. Those are the only times I get it. So it's not my fault if I can't make videos. I'm sorry. I'm not like Dan TDM. I can make 2 videos a day, but I don't see him making 2 videos a day. So yeah. So what I can say to you. So what should I do it next? To my tummy? Quickly. Cold. Tummy. No, that's not. So funny, like my tummy making a noise too. My neck. That's fast. Ooh la la. My armpits. No, that's not. That actually tickles a lot. What should I do next? My knee. My knee. Knee. For some reason, it does not hurt at all. It's gonna fast out here. Sorry if you can hear like baby music in the background. I'm so sorry. I'm going to try to like say things. So yeah. To put some music on. I don't know why I'm doing this. I don't know. Nah, who cares? My computer's the whole way over there. And it doesn't have any charge, but It's kind of like my school computer, but my dad paying for it, so I can keep it for the whole day. Not for the whole day, for the whole year. And that, maybe, what if I don't use the torch now? Nah. Sorry if I'm looking like in the like this way bit, because I'm not just looking at the screen, so I'm looking at where it actually records me. So I should be looking at that instead. So I don't know where to like smash my iPad now. If it exits, ooh, oh god, I'm gonna do it on that. Look, you can see exactly when it stops. So I think this is the end of